What a maroon. Good thing he's got a dozen of his buddies coming up behind us. How do you blow a turn at 20 miles an hour? If you're a Harley owner, explain this to me. Oh, this has been an incredible Wednesday. I've got some good riding in, some killer roads, and something to laugh at on Deals Gap. So, there you go. Yeah, they got some condensation here. It was raining on 72 when I made that turn. The forecast said it was not supposed to rain today. Tomorrow's supposed to be a terrible day. Today was supposed to be good for a motorcycle ride. What else are we going to see today? If y'all are following my ongoing saga with the Sena Camera Company, we are officially on day 8 of not being able to make a warranty claim on my 10C Evo. So over the winter time, I am going to be shopping for something else to replace this headset. Look at that old Bronco. They're probably afraid to get their tires dirty on one of these pull-offs. They bought that Bronco new and they still haven't learned how to drive. Does everybody own a Porsche nowadays? I have seen so many Porsches out today. And it seems like every day that I come out, there's more and more Porsches. Man, the weather looks bad south of here. This group of smelly brake lovers looks like they're from Florida. Their brakes are hot. I can feel how hot their brakes are from here. Alright, here we are. Gills Gap Store and Motorcycle Resort. I've brought you here once or twice before. Yay. Yay. We're figuring out how to get into a parking lot.